home security has evolved far beyond locks and bolts. Today, East Northport homeowners are turning to smart door installation to enhance protection, convenience, and peace of mind. These modern solutions combine sturdy materials with cutting-edge technology, creating an intelligent barrier that guards your property 24/7. The rise of smart doors in home protection. Traditional doors provide a basic level of security, but smart doors take protection to the next level. With features like keyless entry systems, built-in cameras, and motion sensors, these advanced installations deter intruders and notify homeowners of unusual activity in real time. In East Northport, where families value both safety and comfort, the trend toward smart home upgrades has grown rapidly. A smart door is not just an entryway, it's an integrated component of a home security ecosystem that communicates with alarms, lighting, and mobile apps. This integration allows residents to monitor their homes remotely and receive instant alerts, even while away. Key benefits of smart door installation: advanced access control. Smart doors eliminate the need for traditional keys. Instead, homeowners can unlock or lock their doors via smartphone apps, passcodes, or even fingerprint recognition. This ensures that only authorized individuals gain access to your property. You can also issue temporary digital keys to guests, service providers, or family members. No need to hide a spare key under the doormat. Real-time surveillance and alerts. Many smart door systems include HD video cameras and motion detectors, providing live video feeds to your phone. If someone approaches your door, you'll receive a notification and can view who it is instantly. This feature adds an extra layer of security, especially valuable for East Northport residents who travel frequently or work long hours. Enhanced durability and design. Smart doors don't just rely on technology, they're built with strength in mind. Reinforced steel frames, multi-point locking mechanisms, and weather-resistant materials make them both secure and long-lasting. Homeowners can choose from a variety of stylish finishes and designs that complement their property's architecture while improving its value. Seamless integration with smart homes. East Northport homeowners increasingly invest in smart home systems, and smart doors integrate effortlessly with these platforms. You can connect your door to other devices like security cameras, alarm systems, and smart lighting. For instance, your porch lights can automatically turn on when motion is detected at your entryway. Energy efficiency and climate control. Some smart door models feature insulated cores and airtight seals, helping maintain indoor temperature and reducing energy costs. For East Northport's varied climate, this dual benefit, security and energy efficiency, is a smart investment. Why East Northport homeowners are choosing smart doors. East Northport is known for its peaceful neighborhoods and family-oriented community, but residents still understand the importance of proactive home protection. Local homeowners have found that smart door installations not only deter potential threats but also add modern convenience to everyday life. Whether you live in a historic home or a contemporary build, there's a smart door solution tailored to your needs. Professional installers in East Northport ensure that each door is properly fitted, integrated, and tested to deliver maximum performance. Choosing a trusted local expert ensures smooth installation, reliable setup, and guidance on using your system effectively. The future of secure living. Smart door technology continues to evolve, introducing features like facial recognition, AI-driven threat detection, and voice command compatibility. For East Northport homeowners, investing in these intelligent systems means preparing for a future where security and convenience coexist seamlessly. In an age where safety is paramount, enhancing your home with a smart door is one of the most effective upgrades you can make. By combining innovative technology with robust design, smart door installation in East Northport empowers residents to protect what matters most: family, comfort, and peace of mind.